The top stories. Despite Chief Minister and Biren's appeal to people, agitation against CAB continues. Relay hunger strike launch. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur announces date sheet for class 11 and 12 examinations. Board of Secondary Education Manipur releases list of centers for HSLC examination, 139 centers listed. And bamboo, a resource with great potential, government's support to bamboo farmers can be promising. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj giving you the news. Now the news in details. The Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 continues far and wide in the state. Thangmeiban United Club has launched relay hunger strike against CAB near Thau ground at Thangmeiban. Those who were on hunger strike today put up placards with various anti-CAB slogans as well. More importantly, unlike in any other hunger strikes, the photograph of late Mahatma Gandhi was replaced by a photo of late Bir Tikendrazit during the protest. Talking to Tom TV News in connection with the relay hunger strike, President of Thangmeiban United Club Pratap said the relay hunger strike will continue till the February 12th. He appealed to the masses to support the club in protest against the CA bill.
Men pekna lawrakpa nakoi sibok tawgadabne haiba FEB to Thai United Club na chap chana madugi thodang la lawgani thawai phawa thadokpagi stage lakani aduna Manipur laingakna central government na sigi kano che sab chaba masi akoi north east ki damakta Manipur ki damak yellow missing kanjana bagi yenga kanda akoi withdraw tawgadabani haiba wakham je thamjage Thai United Club ki jaga da matung da phambasing da akoi gi Tikendrazit akoi Irabot Thangal General na chingba akoi gi lusing basing oina thammagani.
It is worth mentioning that Chief Minister N. Biren had expressed that all the experts in the state should analyze and discuss about the contents of the CA bill properly. However, the people of the state don't seem to be satisfied with the response of the state government. Masses have reacted quite differently while intensifying the protest even more. As such, it seems the Chief Minister's assurance is still doubtful to the protesters. As part of the ongoing Anti-Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, the locals of Kakhulong states protest by wearing their traditional attire in condemnation of CAB today. Likewise, locals and Maira Paibis of Lamphel Sanakethel blocked the roads in protest against CAB today. On the other hand, the locals of Kawa also blocked the road in protest against CAB. Alongside the protesters were displaying anti-CAB placards supporting the ongoing agitations of Manpak. Residents of Singzame Chingamathag, including Mera Paibis, also staged a sit-in protest along the back side of National Highway 102. Similarly, locals of Uripok Hostam Lekai and Uripok Ahanthem Lekai blocked a part of Uripok Kangsup Road while demonstrating protest against the bill. However, a team of police came and tried to interrupt the protest, and that resulted in a clash between them, for which the local Maira Paibis expressed their discontentment over the action of the police. Residents of Uripok Takhelambam Lekai staged sit-in demonstration in protest against the CA bill. Protesters held placards reading various slogans against the bill. The residents of Naurim Thong Laistram Leirak also staged similar sit-in demonstration in the area. The locals of Mayang Imphal too blocked Mayai Lambi Stretch in protest against the bill. As such, commuters plying the stretch faced great inconvenience. Police personnel had to act like traffic police in order to make the traffic move ahead. Volunteers of Namdulong Youth Club, Women's Society of Namdulong and Thaubei also protested against this CA bill by blocking passage on one side of the road in Namdulong area. Tagel Kolom Lekai Mera Pai Bill also staged sit-in demonstration in protest against CA bill. Talking to Tom TV News, Secretary of Tagel Kolom Laikai Meira Paibe Lup, Kabita said the Meira Paibe Lup condemns the bill in the strongest term, and the Rajya Sabha should not pass the bill in the ongoing budget session or in any session in future.
Mase BJP gi magi Hindu gi Raja ma sem naba chandokpa pass tawgado bill ni haina akhoi Manipur praja akhoi na laujai aduna citizen amendment bill withdraw tawbiu athuba matamda natrabadi khoi mamangda India Pakistan khainaba matamda thokiba war adumak akhoi nupi myam ne hau hauraga thokani haibase akhoi ngasi BJP ge lengakta akhoi Meira Paibi moina hanjan hainingi athuba matamda masigi bill ase withdraw tawdrabadi ani subar ahum suba second war haibado hadak batang soidra thokani aduna athuba matamda BJP gamena bill ase withdraw tawbiu haibase Meira Paibi myam gi maikai degi Manipur praja myam gi maikai degi akhoi na haijari.
Well, it's time now for a short break.
Manipur gi ahanba 24/7 cab service oriba lamjingba cab service na miyam gi seba da leizari apamba service khanbiu economy rate ₹15 per kilometer, standard rate ₹25 per kilometer, luxury rate ₹55 per kilometer. Manipur gi district singi maruaina Mau, Senapati, Ukhrul, Manipur gi mapal gi lamsing loinana luhongba madi atai thodok singi damakta akhanaba discount pizari. Hena kupamarol gi dama contact tobirau 1800 1027 959 amadi 8794613154. Ekhogi website www.lamjingbacap.com.
Musicians, singers, dancers, rappers, actors, comedians, any talent. The stage is waiting for you to showcase your hidden talent all over India through Mega Talent Show on Lamjingba Times of Manipur Private Satellite Television Channel, which is available at Tata Sky. Prizes: winner ₹1 lakh, first runners-up ₹80,000, second runners-up ₹50,000, 7 consolation prizes. Audition on 30th, 31st March, 1st and 2nd April 2019. Last date of enrollment 15 March 2019. Forms available at Tom Office, Uripok and a college near you. Call 940-299-1938.
HBL Constructions in partners with HBL Architects, providing complete building solutions, building constructions, architectural consultancy, soil testing and structural design, pre-engineer structure, interior design, all kind of building services. Building the future. For more detail, please visit our website www.hblarchitects.com or call us at 8730-049186.
Welcome back after the break. Class 11 and 12 examinations conducted by the Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur COSAME will be started from February 24th and February 18th respectively. Speaking to media persons at the office of the Council, Chairman of the Council Lamaba Mohindra said Class 12 examination will be started from February 18th and concluded on March 20th, while Class 11 examination will be started from February 24th and concluded on March 30th. The chairman further said altogether 28,945 students are appearing in the Class 12 examination. 7,953 students in arts stream, 20,728 in science and 664 in commerce stream, whereas 30,083 students are appearing in Class 11 examination. 8,700 in arts stream, 20,680 in science and 703 in commerce stream. He also said Class 12 examination will be conducted at 100 examination centers, whereas for Class 11 examination will be conducted at 185 schools. There is no private centers in this year's examinations, he added.
Council pangthok sagadoriba barkhasing asida iramdam sigi Mairiu Singi Tungi Punsiki Labor Lake Padoriba, Quaiti Marueba, Tankakama Oibana, Iramdam Sigi, Nuxizeraba Ichilina, Imaibil, Amadi Mairo Lupuna Magna, Erkasibu.
On the other hand, Board of Secondary Education Manipur BOSAME has released list of centers for high school living certificate HSLC examination today. The board has earlier announced February 20th as date of commencement of the examination. The importance of bamboo cannot be neglected in our society. Like every other essential item, bamboo is also one of the useful items in our everyday life. Here's the report.
Bamboo has been an integral part of human civilization since time immemorial and plays a vital role in our day-to-day life. It was used extensively by the ancient Manipuris, irrespective of caste, community or religion. The ancient Manipuris used to cut baby's placenta with cutter made of bamboo during childbirth. There were tools made of bamboo which were used for various purposes. Bamboo farmers of Lamdang in Infal West grows more than 7 varieties of bamboo, some of which are medicinal and food items. Bamboo is also a great material for constructing house and various structures such as fencing, a vine house, etc. Altogether, more than 20 varieties of bamboos are grown all over the hill districts of Manipur. The state government's policy to scientifically enhance the quality and quantity of bamboo produced in India, particularly in Manipur by organizing the 3rd National Bamboo Workshop in the state is commendable. However, no bamboo farmer was invited to the workshop. Asem Pramananda, a bamboo farmer of Lamdang Awang Laikai, said that apart from growing bamboo and preserving it in traditional way, they have not received any scientific training or workshop initiated by the department concerned. He and the other farmers in the area have grown bamboo for more than a decade in traditional way till date, he further added.
program tang yaw na bagi sinbi lok sulute simbi usulite kemta jiktauri di tai ko aduga moina admaina information moina pau pirku sulite akoida ade akoi yaw jara gadi akoina khangba akoi adigi akoina khangdaba mayam su akoi khangjau guni ba mayam aduda yaw jara gadi hojikti wa yokotpa digi kana tawba wa ji adukimati akoina punchi gi oina khodi wa ji tawraga hingjari ne ba ko adu moi mari le ne ba kanu jingjina Karimta yingbi kopi da tobi dab ji nongai jade simadi yanganingi ko koi moi department jing na koi wa kanu toriba jingida kari mateng panghaning jing da koi laiba.
We are standing here in a place called Lamdang, which is some 7 kilometers away from Infal. In this place grows more than 10 varieties of bamboo, but the bamboo growers are suffering due to the lack of assistance that is supposed to be provided by the state government and the concerned authorities. In order to increase the quality and to increase the production of bamboo, the farmers draw the attention of the authorities concerned and the state government. With camera person, lamjingbatomtv, Blessing Gangmai, Tom TV News, Lamdang.
Education Minister T.H. Radhesyam at the launch of Manipur Diksha website called at Multipurpose Hall of SCRT Lamphel said that teachers play a massive role in garnering knowledge in education. At the event organized by the Directorate of State Council of Educational Research and Training SCRT, the minister said that of introducing digital infrastructure for knowledge sharing. Diksha by SCRT to access more knowledge for the people is a good thing and it will give more information to the teachers. He added that the government has taken up new steps to develop education system in the schools. The newly launched website, first of its kind in the Northeast, will give advantages to the teachers. He urged the teachers to build a good relationship with the students and to take active participation in developing education system.
CERT, one of the most important departments as units. Masih ada teknologi sinar pa. Aina saya yang sebada segi Diksha digital infrastructure for knowledge sharing hai. Aku itu lagi knowledge mayam atau pada lagi mayam si share tong ina bagi educate apa educate tong na bagi adu ki common naga platform ama adu Dakar lagi betul nggak SCRT na aku state ki wena PBD masih yang lalu program kan je. Aina appeal tauzining badi mayam da anything aku nak kaino masih nama tamda after using it, after trying it out, apply taurasi narabatung da madura aku itu nungai tabra asoi bakari leri, awat bakari leri, apabar kari na what are the strengths and what are the weaknesses of this Diksha. We must give feedback. Okay, Ozasing, okay, Yabasi, what a big computer installed the computer, whether it is functioning or not, is there any problem or not, you never come back to us. So feedback giving is also a very important component of education or learning.
At the launch event of Manipur Diksha, jointly organized by NCTE and Diksha New Delhi with SCERT, Secretary of SCERT M. Yaiskul Meitei IAS, Director of SCERT Dr. M. Meena Kumari Devi and Team Lead Implementation of Diksha Team Sarthak Sathaparthi also attended the event. Secretary M. Yaiskul said that SCERT is organizing different types of training and using modern technology is a positive aspect. He also urged the teachers to take the advantage of Diksha.
Computer ki FC yam line is hinaraga wajasing na classroom da marigi kanaba phangan ba lesson phangan ba matom da maruina ai music training gi saruk to hena mapang takalaninge ado ina su madugi matang su yengani.
Let's take a short break once again.
Furniture industry da chahi tara manga hen experience leiraba mobile furniture ngasi Manipur da chahi mari mapung fana retail stores ani na miyam gi seva pijari miyam service vertical sing asigi khudong cha lobi ngasi maglengchin biroksi mobile furniture Coapitel near Imphal Products. The Great Wedding Sale by Mobile Furniture.
Green Can Industries, Masida commercial kitchen equipments, amadi bakery item, makhal suna pangbiragani.
We're very thankful for Green Can Industries and what they have done for us so far. So together, we think Green Can Industries is the best.
We believe in the service of Green Can Industries.
Green Can Industries is the best.
And Green Can Industries is the best.
Green Can Industries gi after sales services yamna pending our entrepreneurs Green Can Industries that depend over yani
We trust only Green Can Industry. Green Can Industry is the best.
We love the quality of Green Can Industry. Green Can Industry is the best.
Green Can Industries is the best.
Agum so mutang lenshin biratuna apupa marol dikamasta tana view aikoi address Green Can Industries Mahangum Lekai SBI ATM Delhi. Green Can Industries for better baking.
Lamjingba Group na Manipur da lairiba Assembly Constituency Humpudagi Mathau da Pukning Changba Public Relationship Executive Post ki miyoi amamam lagzagadori mahigi thak yamdrabada graduation oigedabani akupa marol gidama contact tobiro at 131944063 amukasu at 131944063 aikoi address Lamjingba Group Rims Road Imphal phone number at 131944063.
Welcome back. The Joint Committee on Prevention of Illegal Immigration, JCPI, has called for a public mass against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 CAB from all MLA Junction to Raj Bhavan in the state capital Kohima tomorrow at 11 a.m. The JCPI, which is backed by the Nagaland GB Federation and GBF, has said in a statement that a memorandum will be submitted to the President of India after the mass rally, urging him to halt the controversial bill from being passed in the upper house of the parliament during the ongoing session and not to give his assent in case of an ordinance is passed by the cabinet bypassing the Rajya Sabha. The Joint Committee has requested Angami, Ao, Sumi, Lotha and Chaseksang tribes in Dimapur to send 15 representatives each and the remaining tribes from the state to send 10 representatives each to this epoch-making public march. Assam Finance Minister Hemanta Biswa Sharma presented the state budget for the financial year 2019-2020 in Assam Legislative Assembly. The budget includes proposal to enhance threshold limit for registration under GST for supplier of goods to 40 lakh rupees, proposal to mitigate 380 arsenic-affected habitations and 7 fluoride-affected habitation, etc. The Finance Minister also informed that 79,742.26 crore rupees is on revenue account and 19,667.65 crore rupees is on capital account. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will flag off India's first engine-less train Vande Bharat Express on February 15 from the New Delhi railway station. Train 18, which was recently named Vande Bharat Express by Railway Minister Piyush Goyal, has been manufactured by the Integral Coach Factory, Chennai. It became India's fastest train by hitting speeds of over 180 km per hour during a trial run on a section of the Delhi-Mumbai Rajdhani route. The 16-coach train will eventually replace the 30-year-old Shatabdi Express. This train will run between Delhi and Varanasi. Robert Vadra Congress Chief Rahul Gandhi's brother-in-law appeared before the Enforcement Directorate ED for the second time today in connection with a money laundering probe into alleged possession of illegal foreign assets. He arrived at the ED office in Jamnagar House in central Delhi at about 11:25 a.m. Vadra was grilled for 5.5 hours for the first time in the case on yesterday. Crackdown on illegal coal-laden trucks continues in Garo Hills with the detection of 6 trucks carrying coal illegally through North Garo Hills and G8 by the district police during an early morning raid. The six trucks were first detected near the Thapa Daranchi outpost after they were seen moving suspiciously with a private car escorting them. When they were asked to stop, they speeded up and ran away. The trucks were coming through from the Songsak side in East Garo Hills. Immediately after the trucks fled, the Resubelpara police state, which falls on the route, was informed to apprehend the vehicles. However, the first few vehicles managed to flee despite the police setting up a naka. The rest of the vehicles, 6 in number, were caught along with the private car escorting them. Most of the vehicles were carrying between 500 kgs to about 2 tons of coal according to the sources. The BJP-led government is set to introduce several changes in the way it conducts file investigations and manages information of suspected illegal migrants, mostly Bangladeshis. Bhaskar Jyoti Mohanta, Special Director General of Police, said field personnel of the specialized branch of Assam Police, which deals with detection of illegal migrants in the state, will soon be armed with a handheld device to capture details of suspects. This device can capture photos, biometrics and other details of the suspects and transfer it to the server in the headquarters in real time. Since the device is also fitted with GPS, it will also record the exact location, the latitude and longitude of the place where the field officers have detected a suspect. The border organization has 38 devices costing a little over rupees 1 lakh each, which have been used to capture details of around 950 foreigners in detention in the 6 centers which run out of jails in the state. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate several projects and lay foundation of many vital schemes in Arunachal Pradesh during his visit to the northeastern states on Saturday. He is scheduled to lay the foundation stone of a greenfield airport at Holongi. The ambitious airport project in the state has been pending for several years due to controversies over site selection. Arunachal Pradesh is the only state in the country without a full-fledged airport. The Prime Minister will also inaugurate a retrofitted airport at Tezu in Lohit district, besides a 110 megawatt hydroelectric project, Arun Prabha channel of Doordarshan and 50 health and wellness centers in the state, among others. All the inauguration and foundation stone laying ceremony would be held from Indira Gandhi Park from Itanagar, and Modi is scheduled to visit Assam and Tripura. Now let's have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Mass public protest starts against CAB. BJP looks to table CAB on February 12. BJP too joins anti-CAB front. SDF bets for unity against CAB. Don't let emotion dictate protest, says Chief Minister. The People's Chronicle. For use CAB before jumping to conclusion, says N. Biren. Student hurt as street protest begins. Normal traffic hit. TPC's Dr. Bir Kumar selected for award. Prithviraj Ratan Kumar appointed poll observers. Imphal Free Press. Chief Minister urges people to avoid emotionally driven actions amid manpack protests. Instead of bringing in immigrants, take their homeland together. PIL filed to investigate practical viability of DPR prepared by IRCON. SSA Ramsar teachers staged peaceful sit-in protests, received mock bombs from police. Manipur Mail. Protests against CAB intensify. Governor confers State Kala Academy awards. 11 political parties form new alliance against CAB.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Despite Chief Minister N. Biren's appeal to people, agitation against CAB continues. Relay hunger strike launch. Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur announces dead sheet for class 11 and 12 examinations. Board of Secondary Education Manipur releases list of centers for HSLC examination, 139 centers listed. And bamboo, a resource with great potential, government's support to bamboo farmers can be promising. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.